My kid alerted me to this dilemma. So we had some squirrel knock the top off the bird feeder. And then some smaller mammal. Where is he? There he is. Focus. Yeah, that's a chipmunk in there. How'd you get in there, buddy? Seemed like a good idea, right? So I guess I'm just gonna pour him out of there, see what happens. Right. Ready? Go. Guess I'm gonna dump him upside down. Go.
He can't fit because of these things.
You mean I have to take this whole thing apart to get him out of there?
How did he get in?
Did you eat all the chipmunk food in there and you're fat now and you don't fit? Wait, what if it's upside down? Look. Let's get out. See? He might figure it out if I leave him alone. Okay, I have to rethink this. Okay, we'll try this. We've laid it on the ground, but his butt is kind of plugging the hole. Work with me. Don't look at me like that, I'm trying. Okay, how about I could fill it with water from the bottom. No, and then he'd like realize that the only way is up. Yeah, I know, if I break that open on him, he'll be terrified. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. I know, I'll leave it up like that. And eventually he'll realize that the escape route is in the back. Hey? What do you think?
Maybe.
Let's give him some privacy. See if his...
It's the same chipmunk that always comes by.
Yeah, I wonder if he jumped on the top and then fell right through.
And it was great for like 5 seconds, and then he tried to get out, and I just heard like...
Oh well. We'll come back and check on him in a bit. Okay, you're just sitting there. How about if you just shake it? You can hang on really good. Hey. Oh, yeah, look. You're sitting over the hole. See, you're almost falling in it. You're there. You're good. I could poke things through there maybe and get you out. Ah, bloody hell, I'll take it apart. Okay. I've loosened the top of the thing. I'm gonna pop the top off. And hopefully... There you go. Ooh, that's really dirty. I'll just lay this down. Look to your left. No, I'm talking to the chipmunk. Your left. Freedom. Oh, there you go. Look. Freedom. Screw it. That's there.
Can he fit?
Is there, I don't know, is there a covering there? Oh, there's, I'm stupid, there's a bottom to it. All right, come back. All right, stage 3, we've removed the outer casing. There's these little screws here. We're gonna pop those off, buddy, okay? You're gonna be fine. All right, we're removing the screws. This is the last one. And the casing should open up. Here's the moment of freedom. Yeah, I know. Be free. Stupid thing.
Does it
Oh, is there another screw to this? Stupid piece of crap. So I've removed all the screws from the side. I'm gonna open her up. And what's his name?
What's his name?
Yeah. Can you think of someone stupid to name him after?
Tandy.
I don't want to offend anyone, so I'm going to keep my name to myself. There we go. Whoa, run away, be free. You're welcome.
Stupid.
Maybe we're stupid for keeping a squirrel trap.